Sellers like this are making almost $17,000 per month by selling digital products. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can do something similar by selling easy-to-make digital products like they are. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. First, what even are digital products? Well, they're things you make online that people can download instantly after buying. Think templates, workbooks, printable designs, or even online courses. The best part is that since they're digital, you don't need to deal with shipping, inventory, or any of that hassle. You make it once, and then it's yours to sell again and again. Let's talk about the process. Step 1. Choose the right digital product to sell. The biggest mistake people make is jumping into a niche or product that doesn't have demand. So, start by figuring out what people are actually looking to buy. Let's take the example of a printable planner. Go on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or even Google Trends and search for terms like printable planner or 2024 planner. See what comes up. Take note of how many people are selling these products, what's popular, and what's missing. You'll find that planners are super popular because people use them for goal setting, budgeting, fitness tracking, you name it. Let's say you spot that a lot of planners are geared toward general use, but maybe there aren't enough for something specific like content creators who need to track social media posts. This could be your opportunity to create a content planner for social media aimed at creators who want to get organized. This way, you're catering to a specific group, which can help you stand out and attract a loyal audience. Step 2. Design the product. Alright, once you've decided on the type of planner or digital product, it's time to actually make it. And trust me, you do not need to be a designer to create something that looks good. Canva is a great tool for beginners. It's free to use, and it has thousands of templates for planners, calendars, and more. Just go to Canva, sign up for an account, and search for planner templates. For my example, I'm going to type in content planner. Pick a template that's clean, simple, and which you can see yourself editing easily. Open the template and now adjust it. Make sure you keep it user-friendly. Think about the layout and how people will use it. For example, if it's a weekly planner, break down each page into sections for different days. If it's a social media content planner, add sections for tracking posts, engagement, and analytics. Don't overthink it or add too much detail. Keep it simple and functional, and make the colors and fonts something that ties in with your brand. One important thing to remember is to save your design as a PDF. PDF files are easy to print, and they look the same on all devices, so you don't have to worry about someone opening it and seeing a messed up layout. Step 3. Set up an online store. Once your planner is ready, it's time to pick a platform to sell it on. If you're just starting out, Etsy is a great choice for beginners. People go to Etsy specifically to find unique, handmade, or creative digital items, and it's pretty easy to set up a shop there. Just make sure to fill out your shop profile, write a strong bio, and upload a good profile photo. These little details make your shop look more legit, which can help with sales. Besides Etsy, you could also use platforms like Gumroad or Shopify. Shopify is great if you want a more customizable website, but it has monthly fees, while Gumroad is super simple to use and takes a small percentage of each sale. If you want something basic and easy to get up and running quickly, Etsy is still the best option. Step 4. Price your product. Here's where a lot of people get stuck. How much should you charge? Pricing is tricky, especially when you're new, but a good rule of thumb for digital planners is around $5 to $15, depending on the features and quality. If your planner is really in-depth and includes extra features like habit trackers or goal-setting sections, you could probably price it closer to $15. If you're ever stuck, take a look at what other similar sellers are charging and price accordingly. Step 5. Create a strong listing. Now, when people can't physically touch a product, your listing needs to do all the talking. For digital products, this means good photos, a detailed description, and a catchy title. Since you can't take real photos of a digital product, create some mock-ups. Websites like Placeit let you create realistic-looking mock-ups for digital items. Show how the planner would look when printed out or filled in. A mock-up that shows the pages being used can really help people picture how the planner would work for them. For the title, make it descriptive. Something like 2025 Content Planner for Social Media Creators works well because it's specific and tells people exactly what they're getting. In your description, break down what each section of the planner includes, how it'll help them get organized, and why they need it. Talk directly to your customer, like you're explaining it to a friend. Step 6. Market your product. Once your product is live, it's time to get the word out. Relying only on platform traffic can work, but you'll see way better results if you promote it yourself. Pinterest is a goldmine for digital products, especially things like planners. Create Pinterest pins that that showcase your planner's cover or a sneak peek of the inside pages. You can do this using Canva pin templates. Link these pins back to your Etsy store, and over time, you'll build up traffic. Instagram and TikTok are also good options. You can create short videos showing how to use the planner, flip through the pages, or talk about its benefits. Even if you don't have a big following, TikTok and Instagram's algorithms tend to promote content to people who are likely to be interested, which can get you organic views. Another tip is to join Facebook groups related to your niche. If you've made a content planner, look for groups of content creators or small business owners. Don't spam your product, but be helpful, answer questions, and when relevant, mention that you have a planner that could help. Step 7. Get customer feedback and make improvements. After making a few sales, pay attention to the feedback you receive. If customers suggest adding a specific feature or ask for more customization options, think about updating your product. For example, if several buyers mention they'd love a monthly view along with the weekly pages, adding that in could increase your sales. Customers appreciate it when they see that a product is evolving based on their needs, and you might even see repeat buyers who like the updates. Step 8. Scale your product line. Once you're comfortable with your first product, you can make variations and other related products. If your 2024 content planner for social media is doing well, you could make a 2024 goal planner or even a small business budget planner. These could attract a similar audience and encourage people who already like your products to buy more from you. Scaling your product line helps grow your income, and it's an easy way to add more value without starting from scratch each time. If you have any questions about how to sell and create these digital products, or if you want to learn more specific prompts and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club school community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you, so check that out. What type of digital products are you thinking of selling? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.